Hello, my name's Jeremy of your International Business News channel. Welcome. In this channel, we discuss the ins and outs of expanding your business internationally and finding new opportunities. Today is part 4 of a 4-part series focused on setting up a manufacturing plant overseas. Today, we're going to talk about strategies to make the most from your investment, increase your market reach, and maximize your return. So you're thinking about constructing a manufacturing plant. That's a big financial commitment. The goal here, maximize your return. But how? Well, first, consider how the plant may be used to serve markets beyond your initial target country. Could it be used to supply products to neighboring countries? By expanding your plant's reach, you're making it work harder for you, increasing the profitability, and justifying the costs of construction and operation. Imagine you're setting up a plant in a central location. By using your plant to supply surrounding countries, you not only broaden your customer base, but also reduce shipping costs by having production closer to those customers. It makes you more competitive in those markets. Another factor to consider is whether this plant can be a low-cost manufacturing option for your home market. If labor or material costs are lower in the country you're setting up in, you might be able to produce more cheaply back home, even with shipping costs considered. This can make you competitive in price-sensitive markets at home. Capacity. What if your plant's production capacity exceeds your needs? This is quite likely when you first launch. Instead of letting that excess capacity go to waste, consider using it to supply other companies. Many manufacturers do this to offset their costs and make extra revenue. It could even open doors to potential partnerships with other businesses, or even attract smaller brands looking to outsource production. Think of ways to turn excess into opportunity. After all, why not make more money off every bit of capacity that you've built? Publicity. Now let's talk making a splash. When you open your new plant, it's the perfect opportunity to build your brand and get some valuable publicity. And yes, you should absolutely aim to get as much attention as possible. Consider inviting media outlets to come to the event. It's a good way to generate buzz and increase your visibility in the new market. For added impact, make it fun, a memorable event with activities, or a plant tour that shows off the quality and scale of your operation. You should also invite current and potential customers to the grand opening. Let them see your commitment to the market and your production capabilities up close. It's an excellent way to strengthen relationships and gain their confidence. Supplier tours are another great option. Your suppliers will appreciate the invitation, and it's a smart way to ensure that they understand the full scale of what you're building. When suppliers know you're serious, they're more likely to support you with better service, terms, or priority on materials. It's location, location, location. When it comes to launching any business venture, it's research, research, research. Whether you're building a plant from scratch or considering different market entry strategies, thorough research, solid advice, and strategic planning are your best friends. Building overseas requires a deep understanding of the local market, the regulations, and the logistical challenges. This isn't something you want to rush. Consult experts who understand the area, especially if you're unfamiliar with the local language or business environment. Legal, financial, and logistical advice will help you avoid costly mistakes and streamline the entire setup process. The more you know, the better prepared you are, the smoother your expansion journey will be. So to recap, building a manufacturing plant will be a game changer for your business, for good or for ill. Be sure it will be positive by finding ways to serve additional markets, exploring cost-saving options, and making good use of excess capacity. Take advantage of the publicity opportunities, get media coverage, and invite customers and suppliers. If you follow these steps and the ones in the 3 earlier videos, you'll be setting up your business for long-term success in new markets. If this short video, please like and subscribe. If you want a roadmap for your international expansion, go to my3cc.com/overseas for an informative PDF. And while you're there, why not sign up to learn more about my 13-week course that will prepare you for success setting up overseas? It launches in January 2025. I wish you fair winds and following seas on your international journey. Take care.